Balik ka nalubas akong phone. Dala mo yung charger. Napagdala ito na akong charger. Nasa car.
I don't know, like I said, anything over the ocean is always flying. But sometimes you can see those waves where you can't imagine being on a small boat. I don't know what
Chloe, you like swinging? You like swinging? Nindot kayo ba? Kaya daghang kayo nga ani. Murag mo naka-nice ang ilang ceiling. Clea, what are you watching, Langga? What are you watching?
States.
Say hi to my live.
Last 4
Bye.
years, President Biden, he opened up the southern border, and just millions come up. Chinese, not just Latinos, Chinese, people from Africa, Ethiopia, everybody. Yeah. And all they have to do is get to Mexico and then walk up the southern border. And no immigration, nobody was checking. Yeah, it was not good. Yeah, yeah. It's like, so, with Liz and your sister and all that, what it takes, what it took them to come into America. I said, you think it's right? And just like, no, I have the time, money, that I have to spend. It's not fair. So now Trump's sending them all back.
Hello guys! Thank you for watching my nonsense live. We're here at Coco Barbecue Restaurant in Makani. It's such a beautiful restaurant. Look at the decoration. It's so hot here. I'm already burnt. Got sunburn, especially when we went to Siargao. We did island hopping. Burned my back.
There's a lot of Filipinos in the United States. A lot of them come in on work visas. Yeah. Teachers, nurses. Yeah.